Alright, we're doing the genuinely accessible Sudoku today. Today's is called David and Goliath Sudoku by Bill Murphy. Normal Sudoku rules apply. We're doing, for every two-cell pill on the grid, it must have a low digit and a high digit. So the 5 can be considered a low or a high. So that, I think, will be interesting. Let's get started. Okay, so this has to be a higher digit. It can't be, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not going to be a 5. It's not going to be a 6 because it sees this. It could be a 7 or an 8, right? And it can't be an 8. So this has to be a 7, actually. Yeah, again, we can just 5, 6, 8, and 9. It's not going to be that. All right, so so that one's just a given. So here we're missing 2. And these are both low, so the 2 must go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 and 8. And 8 can't go here, so it must go here. And this must be the 6 then. So we got that first row done pretty quick. Maybe these 2 side ones can also be done pretty quickly as well. So here, so okay, we've got 1 and 2. We have 3. And 3's not really blocked, except it can't go here. They could go in 3 spaces. What about 4? 4 is also not really very constrained. It is a low digit, though, so it can only go here or here. It could be here, depending on how if the 5 is considered the low or the high. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, well, 7's a low digit, so it has no constraints. So this is like, this side of the board doesn't have as many constraints. How about let's head over to this side. So we've got 1 here. So we've got 2 high, potentially 3. We've got to get 2 on the board. 2, again, has no restrictions. 3, no restrictions. But it's definitely going to be, it could be here. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there's 8 and 9. So 8's not going to be here, and 9 isn't going to be here. Well, 8's not going to be here, but 9 could be there. 8's not going to be here because of the 7. It's not going to be here, so 8 can only be here. Yeah, 8's the only one. That's the only place it can go. And then you have a 9, which I guess we don't know much about. We just know it's not going to go here, but we already knew that because of the 6. It's also not going to go here. So actually the 9 must go here. Yeah. Yeah. And so now we just have 2 and 3 left, and we can't disambiguate that, which is fine. Over here, we got 1 and 2. Okay, where can we put the 3? It's either here or here because of the high digits. These 2 are low. So, and then for 4, that's a low digit again. So it's got to go either here or here. We already got a 5. 6 is here. It's got to be here because these are high digits, and the 6 is already in this box. 6, 7, and then 8 is here, and then we need a 9, and that has to be here because these are both high digits. So yeah, so just a 3, 4 pair, and this column, okay, that really didn't help. Okay, whatever we did here really just didn't help at all with this side. What's the next thing we can do? Maybe we could look at some of these spells, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is remaining. So 2, 3, and 4 are all low numbers. So there's got to be a 5 actually somewhere here. And then really 2 or 3 or 4 could go in either one of those 2. So that doesn't really help too much. But we know the 5 is definitely going somewhere here. There's no 5 here. could be a 5 anywhere here. What about here? So 1, we've got 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So, well, 8's placed, so no 8 here and no 8 here. So we can do our 8. So 1, then there's only 2 places a 2 can go. Can't a 4 go here too? Yeah, 2, 4 can go here. Oh, and there's 7 remaining. So 7 can't go here. It can't go here. It could go here, I think, or here, depending on if this is considered a higher level. Okay. Is this only available to a 4? Is that the only low number? Okay, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the only low number left, actually. So I think this has to be a 4. Because the 5 is already taken. Yeah. So this is actually a 4. And that makes this a 2. Because that's the only low number left. Which makes this a 7. Well, okay. Let's take this off. I don't know if the 9 has to go somewhere. Well, no, the 9 has to go here. Yeah. Because of the 9 here. So we're looking at a 7 here. Okay. I'll go ahead and check real quick. Yeah, we're doing fine. Okay. Now in this column, we've got 1, 2, we need 3. 9, 3 and 9. So I guess it's just gonna be a 3, 9. Oh, the 9's here. Okay. My bad. 3, 9. So we got that done. And that resolves this too on this side. We got this 3. Okay, just a few more pills left. Yeah, this one's also resolved. This one's also resolved. Okay, no 3 here. One, 2. Yeah, I guess there's a 9 here or here, but there's no pills or anything, so right now that's not really the biggest thing. Okay. 1, it could be the low number, and 4 could be the low number, so there's definitely a 1 or a 4 here. There's really no restriction. There's either 1 or 4 in one of these places. And then the only high number is a 7, and that 7 has to go here. Because it's the 7th season. So yeah, because 5, 6, 8, 9 are taken. So 1 or 4 and 104 and 104 in these two. Okay. And then we have something on here too. So this can't be a 6, 7, 8, or 9. So this high number in here must be a 5. And 1 is the only low number. Are we? Yeah. We're good so far. Okay, this is a 2-cell pill. Oh, I was trying to put a 5 in. I think I actually put a 1. Yeah, that's what it is. I guess we don't know if either one of these is a 5. So I'll go ahead and put that. And there's also... 1 is also the only... 2, 3, 4... So 5 is a low number. And the high number... Because 6, 7... 8, 9... Okay, 5 is a low number, and then the high number has to be 7. This number sees them all. 6, 7, 8, 9. So it has to be here. And this one has to be 7. And then this has to be 5. I think. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, we're almost finished up here with the pills. So 2, okay, so 1, 2, 4 or 5 could be the low number. 7, 6, 7, 8, 9 already taken. So 5 is the low number here. No, so 5 is the high number. And so the low number could be a 2 or a 4. So they're going here for sure. Now it won't be a 2 if it's here. It won't be a 4 if it's here. But really just don't have any other disambiguation. And then 1, 2. Yeah, it's just 2, 4, 5 here. So I think it's just 2, 5. So that makes us a 2, 5 pair. And then this has to be the 4. And then this has to be the 5. And this has to be the 2. Okay, that's fine. Still working fine. And then this becomes the 1. This becomes the 4. It's okay, there's no 1 here, but couldn't something else go? There's a 1 here, no 1 here, no 1 here. We got this 1 down. For 2s, it could be any of these. 3s, I think we've got that marked. 4, we have 5, we have 6 is also, so I think this is a 5, 6 pair. 6, 7, we have 8, we have, and then 9 is also marked. So this is a 5, 6 pair. And this is a little, well, we will do that. We are done with all the cells now, so some of this has got to start like revealing itself for 11 minutes. And let's see if we can quickly wrap this up. Start with 9s. Okay, 9, 9. Okay, well, I think 9 is placed here because there's no 9s here and no 9s here. There's definitely a 9 here. There's no 9s here and there's no 9 here. This is a 9. Okay, what else can we do with 9s? No, we're kind of locked in, so it's going to be here and here for 9s. Oh, gosh, no. As well, okay, let's go with 8. Anything we can do? No, but there are 8s somewhere here. What else is there? Here. 8. I think these two being 8s, I think this is the deadly pattern, so then this has to be the 8. It's the only place this can go. That helps. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are over here, and the 7 is here. So the 7 is here, 6 is here. Okay, let's look at all 7s. We got can't be here, 7 can't be here, and 7 can't be here. So that puts 7 in the center. What are we missing here for 7s? Just right here. 7s, we're done with that. How about, oh, 1's gotta be here. 2, 3's gotta be here. 4, and 5 we're missing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That helps. And then 1, we need 2 and 3. They're going here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of these other ones seem more ambiguous. Let me see if the 9s haven't opened up. We've done 8s. We've done 7s are all done. How about, let's do 6s. No, I really just don't have that much with 6s. But okay, we can at least label them. So these are 6. And then these are 6 somewhere here. Okay. And the rest are all actually identified. 5. Really not a lot going on there. Well, at least here we know it's here, right? 5. And then literally 5s here can go any which way. Okay. Okay. That's fine. I'll just mark it. 5. Okay, 4. It's only over here. And then, yeah, it's gotta be over here. But nothing else. 3. Let's do 3. Oh, 3's placed over here. That puts 5 here, because nowhere else to go. That puts 6 here. That puts 5 here. Puts 2 here. 9 here. 3 here. This puts an 8 here. Yeah. 4 here. 1, 2. Oh, wait. Two can't go here anyway. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is definitely an 8. This row definitely needs a 2. So this 5, 8 is gone. This 6 is gone, but the 2 could be here, or it could be here. This 8 is gone. We're done with the 8s here. Okay, we're taking this 5 away. 1, 2, the other again. So the other space the 2 can be 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so the 1 goes here. We're missing a 1 here. We're done with 1s now. Yeah, we're done with 1s. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes over here. That makes this, because it's only 4, 5, and 6 are missing. Yeah, so this has to be the 6. And here, we're just missing that 9, so it's got to be here. Okay, there's only a 2 and a 6 remaining. This can't be the 6, so it has to be the 2, and this can be the 6. And that way this can be the 4, and this can be the 5. And we are wrapping up. Really nice puzzle today. Y'all should definitely solve with me. I'll always put the link to the Sudoku pad in the description to the video. And because keep joining me as I solve these accessible Sudokus. Thank you so much to all the puzzle setters. And Lucian's Place, we're actually posting them every day. I love their Discord, and that's where I find them every day. Okay, bye. See y'all later.